Okay, so I finally got a little bit closer on the welding table. So this was originally planned to be in the center, but the more I got into the design of the thing, having the welder down below and a centerpiece with a chop saw sitting there didn't leave much space. So after some redesign, I thought, you know what? I still have my original welding table that I got at Harbor Freight. Cost me 50 bucks. And then what was I going to do with that once I finished this? So I got to thinking about it, and it's like, well, that chop saw will sit right on top of there. So I basically modified it and put in some holders here, re-welded some pieces here, put a bar across the bottom to be able to put clamps on. And as you can see, this is set at the perfect height so that if I'm cutting up bar stock, it'll go right across evenly and connect in on the chop saw so that it'll be nice and even. So in order to keep the versatility, now when the chop saw isn't on here and I just don't want that top there at all, I just simply come over and you can see there's some handles underneath here. So you can undo these handles, and there's one on the back side. And with the whole entire thing loosened up, now this table piece actually folds down. And I plan to put in a shelf right across here, all the way down to this bar, and have it come up this side right here. And then I can put that for welding gloves and whatever else I decide I want to do. But basically the whole idea behind this is this entire piece just simply folds on right there, and then the table's back in place.